back to the No Limit Crypto channel, a channel where I bring you daily market updates from the crypto streets. And today, this is going to be a quick one. We're going to look at Ethereum, a quick look on the weekly chart, and then we're going to look at a possible amazing pattern forming right now on the 4-hour time frame, mostly. And we're going to look at some targets if this pattern breaks to the upside and if it breaks to the downside. Yeah, so let's get right into it. If there's anything in this video you find useful, please consider liking and subscribing. That helps me out massively. Let's get right into it. So on the weekly time frame yesterday, I was kind of hoping for a push over 4K. And unfortunately, we didn't close over 4,000, which then could mean that we're gonna fight this $4,000 level for a while this week, and maybe even put in a healthy red candle before we move to all-time highs. We gotta remember we are really close to those all-time highs right now. And we've made this bullish cross here on the 9-week moving average and the 20-week moving average. That's amazing. So we are overall bullish. Let's get right to the shorter time frames right now. So we have this ascending triangle, which we know is a bullish pattern, and they mostly break to the upside. And what even helps this is that we are in an uptrend. Like, it's so obvious that this is an uptrend, obviously. So it's very likely that it is going to break to the upside in the next couple of hours. So keep an eye on it. Don't miss this one. This could be a huge opportunity. So we see that it's right here. Right now, Cardano is just riding the 20 moving average on the 4-hour chart. It's just riding it, and it's tightening up right here. And when the price has nowhere to go, it's gonna go somewhere. It's gotta go somewhere, and it's gonna go fast. So what I preach on this channel is, when we have breakouts, we need volume, we need momentum. The price have to have momentum behind it to go somewhere. Otherwise, it's just a breakout and the pattern is void. So a target for this pattern right here, if we go to the upside, which we're more likely to go to the upside, we're looking at a target at 4.2K, somewhere between 4,200 and 4,300. And in this one, I would see a good take profit opportunity around the 4,200 mark. And actually, if we break to the downside, which is obviously bad for a trade, I would not enter a trade right here. But for the market, there's part of me that's expecting us to stay in this range for maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, or something like that. I'm hoping that won't happen. I'm hoping that we're gonna just blast through all-time highs and go up to 10K. That's the dream, but it's probably not realistic. So if we break to the downside, I'm looking at a target. The target is 3,600. I think we will 100% find support at the lower level of this zone at 3,700. So just to recap it quickly, if we break to the upside, look at 4,200. If we break to the downside, look at 3,700. And just to make sure you understand, if this breaks to the downside, I am not going to enter a trade. And if it breaks to the upside, you could enter a trade on a retracement to 4,000. That's plain and simple. That's all from me. This was a quick one. Please like and subscribe if you find anything helpful. Peace out. Have fun.